Hey everybody, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making, drumroll please, Taco Tuesday vegan healthy night. So who's with me here when you guys want to do Taco Tuesday because you want to be super festive, and why not make Tuesdays fun because Tuesdays are probably the lamest day of the week, let's be real here. So I want to show you guys my favorite vegan taco recipe. It's super tasty. I'm pretty much obsessed with this, and so next time your friends come over and you want to feel festive on a Tuesday, make this recipe or just make it for yourself any day of the week. It really doesn't need to be on a Tuesday. Forget it. Anyways, so what you're gonna need here, what goes inside the tacos are some cauliflower florets, got some mushrooms, and on top of those, I'm just gonna put a little bit of the taco seasoning on them. And then we got your avocados, then some red onions chopped up, and then some peppers also diced. Then we got your corn tortillas. So I like the corn tortillas. You guys can use flour, but corn is actually healthier. There we go. Then I have some vegetarian beans. They're actually refried beans, and so black beans are definitely better for you, but I like to use this because it makes it really easy to spread them on the tortilla just like that, and that's how I like it. Hey, what's the little extra calories, whatever. So, gotta live. Anyways, and then I'm gonna use some olive oil, salsa, salt, and pepper. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are going to love these vegan tacos. So, let's get right into it. I just have two pans here, one for my beans and one for my veggies. What I'm gonna do is take this olive oil, put a little bit of the olive oil in both pans. Boom, and boom. Cool, cool, cool. So, we are gonna first saute these veggies. I'm gonna break up these cauliflower florets just a little bit smaller. Perfect. And plus, I'm putting the mushrooms and the cauliflower together in one pan to go in one taco together, but you guys can separate that too. You guys can really put any veggie in here too, like some zucchini would be good in here, which I have a lot. And I also make just plain mushroom tacos and then also just plain cauliflower tacos. But, oops, I just want to show you guys a little bit more flavor, more fun, you know. Gotta spice it up. Don't want to be basic. So, all right, cauliflower is good to go. We're gonna throw in the mushrooms. All right, perfect. Then I'm going to heat up these beans. So I'm just gonna take a spatula, throw in about 1/4 cup of beans. And then for the taco seasoning, I'm also just gonna throw on top of the vegetables, but I'm also gonna throw it on with some water. Be careful though, because when you put the water in there, it might like really come up at you if you put a lot of olive oil in there. So just let that simmer for a little bit so the olive oil doesn't splash up on you when you put the water in there. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of the taco seasoning. You really don't need much. And then a little bit of water. And then after a few minutes of the cauliflower and mushrooms have sauteed together with that taco seasoning, throw in the peppers. All right, next step, I want you guys to be careful with this, and if you guys feel more comfortable just microwaving these tortillas, that is totally a-okay too. But what I like to do is actually heat them up right on the stove. So what I do is I turn the stove on just to low heat right there. Just put on the tortilla right on the stove, just like that. And then, tricky part, be really careful, seriously. If you guys are like under 15, don't try this. But then I just really switch them up, and it tastes so good because it gets kind of like burnt a little bit at the edges when I do it this way, and I love it. Perfect. So place that heated tortilla on your plate, and then what I'm gonna do is take these beans, spread the beans out on the tortilla, spread the beans out on the tortilla. Whoops. That's kind of like the base right there. Perfect. Then I'm gonna take the veggies. And put the veggies on the tortilla. Yum. Perfect. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Then I'm gonna take some chopped up red onions, and they're raw, so I'm just gonna throw them on there. I really like them raw in here, but if you guys wanna also saute them in the veggies, totally fine too. Then I'm gonna take this avocado and just put it sliced right on top of the taco. It looks so good. Then top it off with some salsa of your choice. This is my favorite salsa ever right here, you guys. It is from Trader Joe's, the salsa verde. It is so good. So I'm just gonna top it off with some salsa. Perfect. And last but not least, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and boom, baby, there you go. My favorite vegan taco recipe. Perfect for Taco Tuesday. And let's try it, shall we? Here we go. Ready, you guys? Let's taste it. Ooh. Hot, but good. So good. Wow. So good. All right, I could eat this whole thing right now, but I'm gonna spare you guys that time. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you try this vegan taco recipe, let me know. And let me know, comment below what you guys want to see next in my YouTube videos. Plus, if you like my videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out getfitwithkatie.com for workout videos. I also have an app for all that too. So I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe, and I will see you guys later.